Have you ever wondered how the colossal Hoover Dam came to be? Imagine a wall of concrete towering 726 feet high, stretching 1,244 feet across the Black Canyon, holding back the might of the Colorado River. This is the tale of how a marvel of modern engineering, the Hoover Dam, was built. Our story begins in the early 1900s. The southwestern United States was facing a serious issue: uncontrollable floods in the spring and lack of water in the summer. The solution? A dam that would tame the Colorado River, providing flood control, water for irrigation, and hydroelectric power. The first step was to divert the river. In November of 1930, 4 diversion tunnels, each over 50 feet in diameter, were drilled through the canyon walls. The river was diverted through these tunnels, leaving the dam site dry for construction. Then came the excavation. Workers cleared away loose rock and muck until they reached solid bedrock, upon which the dam could be safely built. This phase was not without its dangers, as falling rocks and landslides claimed several lives. Once excavation was complete, the actual construction of the dam could begin. This was no ordinary construction project. The Hoover Dam is an arch-gravity design, meaning it uses the force of gravity to keep the dam anchored to the ground, while the arch shape directs most of the pressure into the canyon walls. The dam was built in a series of vertical columns, rather than as one continuous pour. Why? Because concrete generates heat as it cures, and a mass of concrete the size of the Hoover Dam would have taken an estimated 125 years to cool, potentially causing it to crack. The concrete was poured into rectangular wooden forms, each 5 feet high. As each layer of concrete was poured, it was kept constantly wet to ensure it cured properly. The process was repeated, one layer at a time, until the dam reached its full height. But the dam was not complete without the power plant. Located at the base of the dam, the power plant houses 17 generators, which convert the energy of falling water into electricity. Finally, in March of 1936, 5 years after construction began, the Hoover Dam was complete. The river was allowed to flow back into its original course, filling the reservoir behind the dam, now known as Lake Mead. So, to recap, the Hoover Dam's construction was a monumental task that required diverting a river, excavating unstable ground, pouring millions of cubic yards of concrete, and installing a massive power plant. It stands today not just as a beacon of human ingenuity and determination, but also as a vital lifeline for the southwestern United States. Quite a feat, isn't it? The Hoover Dam, a testament to human ingenuity, continues to stand firm, fulfilling its purpose even after nearly a century. A marvel of engineering that reminds us of the remarkable achievements humanity is capable of when faced with a challenge. A testament to the fact that no task is too daunting when tackled with determination, foresight, and innovative thinking.